So these are maybe the best headphones for running or doing any exercise that I have found so far. This is the Haylou PurFree over-ear headphones. And I said over-ear is nothing there. It's over-ear headphones. And it's a couple of good things about them, really good things about them. And there's also some weird things that I personally don't like. So let's talk about them. But first of all, I started running. I'm 30 and I realized I'm super out of shape. So I started running, a bit of cardio here and then, it's always good. So yeah, running is the one for me. But now I have tried many headphones. I got some noise cancellation headphones with you box standard silicone tip. They are really good noise cancellation headphones, not for running. I like to hear what's outside, what's going outside. Then use normal headphones with no noise cancellation as well. They've got a silicone tip as well. The problem with the silicone tip, I've personally found, is they do a bit of pressure in your ear, and every time you run, every time you step down, you can hear that muffled step, and it feels weird. Let's go for that one. Then I got the Earbuds. They are the most trusted headphones that I own. I love them. They connect straight away to my iPhone, and the design is just unique. It's probably the perfect design ever. But I don't want to lose them, and if they go flying, I may never find that again. So this is where the Haylou PurFree over-ear headphones come into place. So out the box, they got IP55 water resisting. They got a 16.2mm driver per ear. They got a 32 hours with the included USB-C charging case that charges through the magnetic dots over here, and 8 hours of battery just with them. And they are super light. They're honestly quite flexible, and they're very easy to put over your ears. They honestly sound really good. You can go running, and if you got a mate, you can have a full-on conversation. You can have your music, you can be in the zone with your music running around, but also talk to whoever is next to you. If you got a pet, you can still talk to the pet. You can still listen to what's going around you, depends where you're running. If it's a rural area or around the city, you're not gonna get run over, basically. That's the whole point of this ones, and they are incredible. Music sound really good. Phone calls, they do not sound that great. And I also think there should be a little more they're missing that they're missing that loudness, because of course I believe, because there's nothing inside your ear, it's all flat, and it's just basically a speaker there, direct on your ear, if that makes sense. A lot of the frequency, a lot of the sound is being missed around your ear, and it just goes. So for running, they're really good. Maybe for a daily day, they're not that great, but they do have microphones, and I believe that if they got them or not, they will not make any difference, because they are really bad microphones in my opinion. I have tried to take phone calls with them, and the other person cannot really hear me. Many times I just need to put my phone in speaker or take one off and just pick up my phone normally, because... And another thing, as I keep taking it on and off, is this loop going over your ear, as you can see, and they got a bit of an angle. I don't know if you can appreciate it on camera, but they got a little bit of an angle there. So of course it's not straight on your ear making any pressure, it's just floating kind of there. But all the way it's just floating and resting on the top of your ear up here. And after maybe an hour, maybe 45 minutes of heavy use, of running, of going around, they're starting to be uncomfortable. It's not painful, but you can start to feel it up here. And sometimes before I end my run session, I just take it off because I kind of had enough in a way. But if you're considering starting running, doing any type of exercise, going to the gym, doing anything like that just to get in shape, do recommend them. They are the Haylou PurFree open ear wireless headphones, Bluetooth. They connect straight to your phone, no matter if it's Android or iPhone. They're waterproof, they're sweatproof, and they sound decent to what you're doing. That is doing a little bit of exercise every now and then. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm CheCo. If you like this video, please just let me know down below. Don't forget to check all the other videos over here on my side. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.